Here's how to write a killer resume in minutes using ChatGPT. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Literally just type. Act as a resume writer. I'm applying for role at company. Ask me questions to gather what you need. It'll respond with smart prompts. Answer them fast. Bullet points are fine. Once it has enough info, say, "Great, now write me a modern resume tailored to that role, focused on achievements." Want next level? Say, "Rewrite this using the STAR method: situation, task, action, result." It'll reformat your experience with impact. And yes, you can paste old resumes and say, "Improve this for a product leadership role in fintech." It adapts instantly. Finally, copy the results, plug it into a clean template on Canva or Google Docs, and you're done. From blank page to interview worthy in 10 minutes or less.